Salut! In this video, we will be learning about le futur proche or near future in English, expressing an action about to happen after the time you're speaking, or expressing an action planned in the future. Comment ça marche? How does it work? Just like in English, once again. An example will be I am going to play, using the present continuous of the verb to go, followed by the infinitive of the verb you are interested in. Therefore, we need to know the present of to go in French. To go is yes, to go is aller. And do you remember its conjugated forms at the present tense? Remember, we only have one present tense in French. If you are not sure about the present tense, you can check our lessons in the previous module. So, can you help me find the present of aller using avoir? As remember, avoir and aller are sharing the same endings at present. Let's explore further. Le présent de aller, the present of aller, is similar to avoir, to have, which is j'ai for to have, tu as for you have, il a, nous avons, vous avez, et ils ont. Is that helping? Yes? Okay. In this case, le présent de aller is je vais, which is est, and you just add the V before the form of avoir, est et I. So I go is je vais. And then following the verb avoir, we will have tu vas, you go or you are going, il va, nous allons, vous allez, il et elle with an S vont, O-N-T. To make the near future, you will now need to add the infinitive of the verb you want. Easy, isn't it? Let's try some example. If you want to translate, you are going to learn. How will you do this? We have just established that you are going is tu vas. We also know that to learn is apprendre. So altogether, you are going to learn will become tu vas apprendre. Aller plus infinitive. Bravo! Should we try another example? They, for example, at feminine. They are going to choose a dog. They are going is, for the feminine form, elles vont. And to choose in French is choisir. We also know how to say a dog, which is un chien, giving us all together, elles vont choisir un chien. Literally, they are going to choose a dog. Et voilà, you know le futur proche. There is no exception, you just need to remember the verb aller at present. But if you need to refresh your mind, don't hesitate to review the video if needed. It's in Conjugaison chapter, module 2, le présent, lesson 3. Just a little thing before we close this lesson, exploring where to place our negation word ne and pas. As in this tense, le futur proche, we are working with two verbs, which make it a two-verb structure. We know that we usually sandwich the verb with ne and pas. But here, having two verbs, will you remember which one to sandwich? We have seen this in our first conjugation module. So, we will need to sandwich the first verb, well done. In our sentence, elles vont choisir un chien. The two verbs or action words are vont, aller au présent, and choisir, to choose at the infinitive. And sandwiching the first verb will be sandwiching vont, making it elles ne vont pas choisir de chien. They are not going to choose a dog. Now you know everything about this future proche tense. Don't forget the quiz before following my video on le futur simple or the will future. Bravo, merci beaucoup et à tout de suite!